So this is room 701 at Main Street Station in downtown Vegas. And those of you that watch my vlog will know that I usually stay at the California in downtown Vegas. But I get 3 nights comped plus resort credit offers every single month from Be Connected. And I can either use them here or at the Cal. And I've never stayed at Main Street before, so I thought I'd stay here for a change. Now, there are no remodeled rooms like the whole of the California has been remodeled recently. But one thing Be Connected always do, even with their sort of slightly dated rooms, is keep them spotlessly clean. And this is no exception. So nice little bathroom, decent walk-in shower. The safe you just saw has got a key rather than a combination, so just make sure you don't lose it. Nice comfy bed. I'm at the end of a corridor here, away from the lifts, so that it's nice and quiet. I think the opposite side of the hotel overlooks the freeway, and I think that's the side of the hotel which is a bit noisier, which is why I've asked for a room that overlooks the Cal and Plaza. And there you go. Not a bad little view. Should look quite pretty at night. So free room, no resort fees. What's not to like?